Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to guide you how to build a PC. So let's start. So first, this is the processor I'm using for this build. The processor is the i5 core 9th gen, also known as 9400F. The base frequency is 2.9 GHz and the overclock maximum is 4.9 GHz. And let's see the motherboard. So next, let's go towards the motherboard. The motherboard is like Gigabyte H310M. It's really good for this gaming performance, and it supports Intel chipset. Next, this is the RAM provided by Crucial, 8 GB RAM, 1 stick. Next, let's go towards the hard drive.
Where is the RAM?
This is what we are going to use for our storage, a Toshiba 1 TB HDD. For this video, we are going to use a SSD, but in the next video, I am going to show you the full PC build. Right now, this is what we are using. And for power supply, this is what we are using. A Cooler Master 550 watt power supply, 550 watt bronze version 2. This is a great power supply. It's DC to DC. And 5 years warranty will get provided with. And for the main part, using a graphics card which is really good for this build, and it's a GTX 1650 from Inno3D. It's a 4 GB graphics card and gives a great performance. And so at last, here's the cabinet from Anti Sports ICE 200 TG. This supports RGB. As you can see from here, RGB strips all around, and there's some buttons right here, and this has a dust mesh right here, as you can see. So this is the mesh, I don't know what you call this. And at the side, it's a very cool thing, like we have a tempered glass. It looks really cool so that we can see all the parts which are inside, the satisfying part. And these are all the parts. I'm going to build this PC in another video. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.